Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use mixed media to create a field of sunflowers on a sunny day. Dot stampers, they come in a variety of colors. You take the lid off and there's the stamp to make the circles. Colored markers, crayons, circles to trace, different sizes. These are all lids from containers. A circle stencil. When I do this lesson in class, I'll cover up all the tables with paper. I usually use butcher block paper, but you can also use a tablecloth. This keeps the surface of the table nice and clean. A paint shirt or an apron to keep your clothes clean. Let's begin. First, I'm going to trace some circles using my circle template and my round lids. I'm going to trace them with crayons. I'm going to draw some on the bottom to represent flowers, and then I'm going to put a sun up here. And then the color, we're going to use the dot stamp bottles, and we're going to add lots of dots and patterns, and you can even color with these too, like that. Hold the circle that you're going to trace with one hand, and with the other hand, go all the way around it with your crayon, keeping the circle in place. And then when you lift it up, you'll have a circle shape. So I'm going to do that many times. Now I'm going to use the dot stampers and add some color. You can make dots like this. You can also color like this with them. So I'm going to use the dot stampers to add flower petals and then also like sun rays coming down. We'll see how it turns out. Here we go. I'm done coloring and making dots with the dot stampers. Make sure to put the cap back on the bottle. Twist it closed so that it doesn't dry out. You might need to wash your hands. If you're happy with your artwork, you can stop at this point. I think I can make it look even better by adding details with markers. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. I let my sunflower picture dry, and the more I look at it, I don't really like this red circle that's on the sun, so I'm going to try to fix that. I'm going to take another piece of white paper, and then I'm going to cut this piece of white paper out so it's the same size as this red circle here, and I'm going to glue it down with a glue stick, and then I'm going to color that part all yellow. So I'm going to see how that looks when I get that done. Here I go. Let's check out my finished artwork. I like how the sun looks now. That red part that I had on there originally, it was bothering me, so I changed it, which is something you can do in your artwork. If something's bothering you in it and you don't like it, try to fix it first before starting over. I like all the details that I added with marker on the flowers. The petals look more real. The center of the flower looks more real as well. I added a texture to it to look like the seeds. I love the vibrant colors on this. They're very cheerful and happy. I also like the complementary colors I used in the sky, the blue and the orange. They really kind of vibrate back and forth. Complementary means that they would be opposite of each other on the color wheel, and when you put them close together, they tend to vibrate. I used overlap in this picture. The larger flowers appear to be in front of the smaller ones. The smaller ones, you can't see all of the petals because the front ones are blocking it, so it's like behind it. That creates depth and distance. This artwork would be called mixed media because we used crayon, marker, and dot stampers. If you look closely at the center of the flowers, you can still see the crayon circles that I drew at the beginning. That's because the wax in the crayon repels any wet materials. I hope your flower picture turned out fantastic. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.